Ah, dude. All right. Nice. I'm sure you guys have been there. Dishwasher doesn't close, so let's get into it. All right, we're gonna teach you guys how to take this dishwasher out and either repair the side arm. See here, this is the issue we're having, or how to just take it out and replace it. So let's get into it. Here's the tools you'll need for this job: pliers, screwdriver, Phillips head and flathead, and you'll need a electric meter. So good luck. All right, so first things first. If you don't have granite, there's gonna be 2 screws or 2 latches up here that go here and here, and you're gonna have to unscrew those. This one's granite, so it's just glued in. And then we're gonna get under here. There's a panel down here. We're gonna take that panel out. There's 2 tiny little screws, and we're gonna get those suckers out. And then I'll show you what to do next. All right, so we got that bad boy off. We are in the guts. So now there's 2 little feet things down here. Oh, we're probably gonna get smashed with this door. Let's not do that. So you remove this piece, just comes right out. See those 2 little feet? We are going to screw those upwards to get that out. So we'll start on it. You're gonna use a little wrench for this. You can use something like this. And you're just gonna go like this. Anyways, guys, you guys get the point. And it's gonna go, instead of righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, it's the opposite because you're screwing upwards. So if you're wanting to unscrew this, you gotta unscrew it the opposite way. So I'll get it off. Yeah, well, on the bottom hinge is done. We got them lifted up higher. You can see they're a little bit higher. I didn't pull them all the way up. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to grab both sides of this, and then you're just gonna pull it towards you. So I'm just gonna pull, and your dishwasher comes right out. Just like that. So before you drag it all the way out, these little feet down here, they will ruin the floor. So what you do, pop a little towel under it before you pull it out. But before you even pull it out, we just got it loose. Now we need to do the second and third step, which is take this thing off. If you don't take this thing off, you're gonna basically pull the drain line out and it's gonna unplug it. And the second thing is you need to check the wire. So here is the wire box. It's this thing with the electrical. There's a tiny little screw right here. We're going to take that screw off and I'll show you what's behind it for the wires. There's your wires. Now get one of these suckers. Klein Tools. It's like 14 bucks at Home Depot. And if it beeps red, that means the power is hot. You're gonna need to go to your breaker box and turn off the appropriate breaker to turn that off. And let's go ahead and unwire. All you're gonna do after it's off, you'll take those wire nuts off, take the black off black, white off white, take the dishwasher out after you took out the drain hose, and then you gotta remove this. This is your water line. You can see it under here. Not the brass piece, but the one under it. And there's a bunch of junk under there, guys. You should probably check this every other day. Just make sure it's good. But that water line, you're gonna have to take that little silver piece off, this one, and just, that's it. So you remove those 3 lines. That, the electrical, and the washer line, and you can pull your dishwasher out. All right, so the arm is broken on the dishwasher. It just drops, and it has no spring to it. Problem with that is the spring down here, the rope broke, so we'll show you how to rig it in order to fix it without having to buy the new part. All right, so what we did was we attached the rope to this little piece right here and just tied it on and attached it that way. Originally, it's supposed to look like this with a piece like this, and you should see this plastic piece. The original piece like this, you can order it off like Whirlpool and just replace it and then reattach the rope just like they did. And then that way it'll function. function better with the spring. So that's how you fix the dishwasher. We fixed it how it closes now, so now it closes good. Now we're gonna put it back inside. All right, so now I'm just gonna slide this sucker back in after it's slid back in. You can see how the feet need to be screwed up, so it can be attached back up. The screws are down here, and you do the same thing. You basically take the pliers to them and screw them up after you already wired up the dishwasher. So you gotta hook up that water line. Show you guys some light. That little silver one, not the brass one, the silver one back there. And then you hook up the drain line under the sink, make sure no leaks, and then you pick these feet up. So we'll go ahead and pick the feet back up, put this panel back on, and we're done. Goes back together. All right, thanks for watching, guys. This is how you pull out a dishwasher and how you fix a dishwasher.